Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to round up in Excel. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. At first, open an Excel sheet and get the number you want to round up. And here you have to put a formula which is equals to round and give a first bracket and then select the column you want to round up and put a comma and then number digits that you want to round up. Like if you want to round only one digit or for one decimal, then click 1 and close the bracket and tap enter. Here you can see it's only rounded up one digit, and if you click 2 it will give you 2 to 1. If you give 3 it will show you the point, as because there are 3 digits after decimal number. That's why when I write 3, when I have written 3, it's showing the 3 decimal numbers. If you put a 0, then it will show you the whole number that you want actually. So this is how round formula works. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.